compression, Whipple, 3-inch pulley, 6-inch MAF housing, and it will eventually be a 6-inch full intake, and a bunch of other stuff on the motor. It's idling perfect. 103 millimeter throttle body, idling perfect. I just need to slap my my fenders on and take it for another test drive, but this thing's running like a champ on E85 too. I need to get to a dyno and get some actual horsepower numbers, but it's scary on the streets and on the freeway. It's a lot of fun. So let's see if the boost yeah, it looks like it's reading. Intake manifold absolute pressure. Yeah, it's reading. Okay, cool. So I'll be able to read boost. Anyway, stay tuned. I'll post an update after I get my fenders back on and go for a test drive.